and welcome back to your favorite cooking channel, Khai with us. I'm Sabrina.
I'm Brittany.
And I'm Katie.
Today we're going to show you how to bake Khai bake,
which is a Lao baked egg.
Alright, so for this recipe, all you're going to need is salt, pepper, light soy sauce, and lots of eggs. Let's get started.
Let's go, guys.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is wash your eggs. That's mostly because we are going to be baking in the shell, so you want to make sure they're clean.
So, very important step to this is getting a spoon, getting your egg, and pretty much just breaking the top of the egg. And peeling off a little portion of the shell. Save your shell.
And voila.
Voila.
This is the hardest part of the recipe and the most time consuming, so get some help.
Alright, try to make your holes as small as possible, but also as small as possible. But also, remember that you will be putting the egg back into them, so they do need to be a little bit big so that you can get the egg back in.
Big,
so,
small.
It's a balancing act, if you will. Another pro tip is, make sure you're cracking at the very top of the egg where the more narrower part is. And if your yolk will not come out, grab your handy dandy chopstick.
Look at that.
And look at that, and it just flows right out of there. Next, we're going to strain all the eggs that we just put in here through this tiny strainer to make sure that we get all of the little shells out.
This is light soy sauce, by the way. Okay. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix this all together.
Okay, so Sabrina finished whisking that all together, and we are gonna put it back into the eggshells.
If you want to, you can taste this mixture first by putting a little bit into a bowl and then putting it into the microwave, and then you can adjust your ratios of whatever you want to put into it before you bake it. Some people will add like things like sugar, garlic powder, cayenne pepper. Like, it's pretty endless. Like the amount, oyster sauce. The amounts of things that you can put into it. We just like the basic salt, pepper, soy sauce.
Yeah.
And that's what our kids like, so that's what we do.
Okay, so
You can use a turkey baster
Or measuring cup.
Yep.
finished putting the egg mixture back into the eggshells, and we put them back onto this carton. You can bake this carton straight into your oven because we're baking at such a low temperature. We're doing it at 180 degrees, so it will not catch on fire. If you don't have this larger tray and you're only doing a dozen, you just cut the lid off of a regular dozen egg carton, and you can put that straight into the oven. All right. We filled the eggs about 80% of the way. And that's gonna be in there for at least an hour. Check that. Okay, so it has been 1 hour since we put the eggs into the oven. I'm checking on them right now, and they are not fully done yet. So we're gonna turn up the heat to 215 degrees.
It's been 2 hours, and they are finally done. That's good. Sebastian!
What?
My nephew loves these eggs. Come try. Try it and tell me if it's yummy. Sound good? You want one? That's what it looks like.
How did you made it?
So definitely try it. These are really cool. A different, like a cool way to eat eggs.
Pull out.
All right, guys, there you have it. That's what they look like. I know the first time I tried these, I thought they looked really scary and I didn't want to eat them, but I promise you, they are so delicious. Very tasty. Cheers.
Because you're baking these on low heat, they do take a long time, but if you make a lot, it's worth it because you can keep them in your fridge and you can eat them every day as a snack. They're also great at parties.
Yeah.